Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add money to your PayPal account using a debit card. It's quick, easy, and secure. Perfect for making online payment, hassle-free. Let's get started. First, go to your PayPal app from your mobile device. Make sure your account is logged in here. Tap on the plus icon right next to bank, account, and cards. Then select debit and credit cards. It will take you to add your information, including your card details. Due to PayPal security policy, I'm unable to record this page. After that, you will be asked the amount you want to transfer. Once it is all done, your money will be transferred to PayPal from the debit card. And that's it. Now you know how to add money to PayPal using your debit card quickly and securely. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more useful tips. See you in the next one.